Let's get creative. What's up, guys? CJ here with another video. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I release new videos. Today's video is going to be about creating some handwritten titles across your videos. I've seen this done a bunch of different ways, and I've done it a bunch of different ways, but I've actually found out the easiest way where you can get handwritten content or handwritten messages across your YouTube videos or whatever project that you're working on. So this will require either an iPad or an iPad Pro. I'm going to be doing this on an iPad Pro today, as well as with the Apple Pencil. And you will have to import it into your computer and do a few things. So we're just going to walk through it, and I'm going to show you exactly how to create this kind of footage. All right, so we're going to start in Procreate, and the first thing you want to do is you want to create a new canvas. So you can do square or whatever. I normally just click on the 4K because that's going to give you the largest one to work with. So you click on that, and then what you do is you get your color that you want for whatever you're going to write. And they've got a bunch of these. So if you're going to be doing writing, you can do calligraphy, and they've got different pens. They have streaks, they have brush. Doesn't matter which one you want to use, but just choose whatever brush you want, and you can test out what they're going to look like. All right, once you get your canvas set up, you can go ahead and choose whichever type of brush you want. I always either use a brush pen or the streaks. I actually like the streaks a lot better. And you can change it just the way that it looks when you write. So that's what mine is going to look like when I get done. So I will get rid of that. That'll undo. All right, so what you want to do is you want to start your record screen. Maybe it's going to let me. Go back to your Procreate, and then we're going to write our message. So I'm just going to say, I'm just going to say thank you. And I'm going to sign my name. Alright, so that's my little note. Just leave it for a second. Once that's done, you want to go and stop your recording. Maybe. Alright, once your recording is saved, you want to airdrop that to your computer, or however you need to. You need to get that footage to your computer. So I'm just going to airdrop it. Now let's jump to the computer. Now we're back in Premiere Pro. I created a new sequence, and I'm going to just drag and drop some drone footage that I had on my computer. And this is the footage that we're going to use to go over. So nice little 4K drone footage. I'm going to put just a little title on it. So we'll import our screen photo. All right, we're going to import our screen recording. I believe this one is it. All right, so as you can see, mine is to the side. So what you want to do is put your in and out points to where that is. Go ahead and drag and drop that over your video. Go ahead and drag and drop this over your video there. And what I would do is rotate this. Negative 90 degrees, gonna bring it right. The next thing you wanna do is you wanna get rid of all the extra stuff on the side. So what you'll have to do is with that clip, you go to effects and you will apply a crop. All right, so we're going to crop out everything that we don't need. Just the canvas is the only thing that we need. All right. So let's go ahead and play it through and see if we got our whole message. Thank you, TJ Lovelady. All right, great. All right, so now you're probably thinking, okay, how do I get this white background? So I'm going to show you that now. Let's make it a lot bigger. Okay, let's make it that big. We'll move it over a little bit, make it a little bit bigger. All right, then you want to go to your blend mode and you want to go to multiply. Now, if you did a black background with white writing, it's going to be the exact opposite. You'll actually go to, on this blend mode, you'll go to screen and it will get rid of the black and leave the white writing or a different color. All right, now let's see what it looks like. Now you will notice while you're doing your playback, it will have like some little bars sometimes, and those bars will not be there when you render your video, and I'm going to show you that here in just a second. So one little neat thing that I like to do is I like to play it in forward, and I also like to reverse it. So if you wanted to reverse the footage to where it, you know, erase it off, you can click on it and do option and drag. That's going to duplicate your footage. Right click on it, go to speed duration, and then you're going to do reverse speed. Now when you're erasing it, you can go a lot faster, so I would increase your speed duration to, you know, 200%. So let's see what that looks like. Actually, I just want to see the end of it. I'm gonna have your name, and it's gonna whip back off. All right, cool. So let's see what the final product looks like. All right, that's gonna be it for today, guys. That is super simple. I want to show you that because I do use that in my videos quite a bit. And if you like these types of videos, like, share, subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I release new videos. Thanks, guys.